Hello everyone, welcome to Playwright. Today's topic is page navigation methods. In Playwright, navigation is not only go to async method, there are multiple navigation methods and choosing the right one makes scripts stable. The most common navigation method is page.GotoAsync and the URL. This is used to open any URL directly. But in real projects, navigation happens in different ways. When you click a button or link that loads another page, navigation is triggered by an action, not by a GoToAsync method. For those cases, the correct approach is perform the click and wait for navigation properly. So Playwright doesn't move early. Another common navigation scenario is moving through browser history, like back, forward, and reload. Playwright supports this using three methods. One is go back async method, go forward async method, and reload async method. The key point is navigation means the page is changing and your script should be synchronized with that change. Here in the sample script, if you see go to async method is there, which will open the URL directly. Go back async method is there, moves to the previous page in the history. Go forward async method is there, which will move to the next page in history. Reload async method is there, which refreshes the current page. Correct navigation handling prevents flaky failures. Now I will run the sample script, then you will have better understanding. First, it will navigate to Cogmento URL page, next example.com site. Next, it will go back to the previous site, that is Cogmento app. Then again, it will move back to the example. Then again, it will reload. At last, we should say example.com site. So let me run and then we will see the output. First Cogmento app, next it will load example, Cogmento, again example. So this is how it opened, and then example.com page navigated, went back, forward, and reloaded the page. Use GoToAsync method for direct URL launch. If you see direct URL launch, then we will go with GoToAsync method. And use back, forward, and reload methods for real browsing scenarios where you want to check the history. Navigation is a page change. Always stay synchronized.